Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Cinema HD app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see the Cinema HD app. If it's not working, you have to follow this easy step. So press and hold it here. Just click to that I button. It will open the app info section of the app. So when you will just go here, you have to click on the storage section, then click on clear data, just clear the existing data. Then here you have to open the app again. If it's work for you, then fine. If it does not work for you, then you have to probably check for an update. So checking for update is easy. You can directly go to the Google search bar, just write for Cinema HD app. Okay, so here download the latest version and it will work. So if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.